Hello friends, today I will show you the implementation of bank management system using core Python. So firstly I will show you what I have done, then I will explain how I have done. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, you can see that it is telling enter 1 to create new bank account, enter 2 to add money, enter 3 to withdraw money, enter 4 to see all the account holders, and enter 5 to remove account holder, and enter 6 to exit. Okay, suppose I give the choice 1. Okay, now it is telling what is your name. Say I give my name. Okay, Aminur. Now enter the amount you want to add. Say I want to add 5,000 rupees. So you can see that account created successfully, and again that menu driven code is running. Again it is asking me what is your choice. Suppose I want to add one more. Okay, one more account holder there will be. So now the name will be say Salman. Okay, now if I press enter, it is telling enter the amount you want to add. Say I am giving 3,000 rupees. Okay, just assume I am giving 3,000 rupees and it is telling that account created successfully. Now say I want to add 1,000 rupees to Aminur's account. So I am typing 2 and I am clicking on enter. Okay, now it is asking me the name, enter the name. I want to give Aminur 1,000 rupees. Amount you want to add 1,000. Okay, now it is telling amount added successfully. Let's see what happens if I type 4 to see all the account holders. Let's click 4, type 4 and enter. You can see Aminur 6,000. Initially I gave 5,000, 1,000 I added, and now it is in Aminur it is 6,000 and in Salman it is 3,000 rupees. Say I want to deduct 1,000 rupees from Salman's account. So for that we have to enter 3 to withdraw money. So if we type 3 and enter, now the name I will give is Salman. Okay, enter the amount you to withdraw, say 1,000 rupees. Okay, it is telling amount withdrawn successfully. Let's see the account again by typing 4, enter. Now you can see Salman is 2,000 and Aminur is 6,000 is there. Okay, now say if I want to withdraw money from Shahruk's account, but Shahrukh does not exist. Let's see what happens. Okay, we click 3. If I type 3 and enter the name, say SRK, enter. But it's telling person not found, and again the menu driven code is executing. Say if I want to add money to SRK, let's see what happens. If I type 2, but SRK is not there, but I am just seeing what happens. Okay, enter name SRK. Okay, it is telling again person not found. You can see here person not found. Okay, let's see if I want to create Aminur account again. Let's see what happens by typing in 1, enter Aminur. What it is telling me name already exists. Okay, good, it is going well. Now if I want to remove Salman, okay, I have to type 5 and enter the account holder's name, say Salman. Okay, enter. But it is telling deleted successfully. Now if I see the account what is there by typing 4 and enter, you can see only Aminur is there. Well, if I want to delete Salman again, let's see what happens. Okay, now I type 5, enter the account holder's name. If I give Salman, okay, let's see what happens. But it is telling person not found because Salman we have already deleted. Okay, so if I click now, what we can do more? We have seen all the steps, right? We have seen all the steps. Now if I click, I type 6, enter, it is exiting. It exits. So this was what I have created using core Python, using oops concept in Python. Now I will explain how I have done this. In the very first line you can see I have done class bank to create a bank class. Now def in itself, what it is doing is we are creating a list to store the all the information of the account holders in the form of a dictionary of list. Means one list is there, within that we will store individual account holders in the form of a dictionary. Name will be there, and what it will be there, name will be there, and the amount which they are storing while creating the bank account. Now see, def add account holders. This is for creating new account holders. It is asking in the line number 6, it is asking for enter the name. Now for person, if self dot account holders, for we are what we are doing, we are checking individual dictionaries. Okay, now you will not understand where is the dictionary. I will explain it, no problem. You can see that if person of name equal to name, print name already exists. In the very first time that we have seen the example in the Aminur, if we have already created the Aminur's account, and second time we were creating Aminur's account, it already told the name already exists. So that's why this line was executing. So if name already exists, what we will do, we will return, and we will again the menu driven code will be executed. Now you can see if amount, now once it is not there, once the name does not match with any of the present names, what it will do, it will take the amount as input, and then it will again in this line, in the line number 12, you can see we are appending, means in the list we are appending a dictionary name which we will give and the amount, and after that it is the account will be created successfully, and it will return back to the main menu again. Now in the line number 15, you can see we have done add money. For when the account holders is already there, what we will do, we will add money. Okay, so you can see for person in cell the account holders, we have to give the name. Okay, once the name matched, what it will do, it will add the amount to that particular account. If the say in the very first time we have no account holders, in that time if we want to add money, what it will give person not found, because no account holder is there na, that's why. And if the account holder is there but the name we have given that does not exist, it will also give the same thing, person not found. Okay, same goes for withdraw money. First it will check whether the account holder is there or not. If the account holder's name matched, what it will do, it will again check the amount we are withdrawing, is it greater than or less than. If the amount we are withdrawing is greater than the amount present in the bank's account, it will give not sufficient balance, otherwise it will deduct the money and it will print amount withdrawn successfully, and it will return to the main menu again. Otherwise it will print person not found. If say there is only two person, okay, Aminur and Salman, if I am withdrawing money from Shahruk's account, Shahrukh does not exist, so person not found will be there. But say there are no account holders, say there are no account holders, and now if I want to withdraw money, it will again show the same thing, the person not found. Okay, this goes for same add money and withdraw money. Only the one difference is there, that amount minus is there, person of amount minus of AMD is there, and here only plus sign. This is the only minute change in there in these two methods. Okay, now if when all the account holders are there, we have already seen that there are two account holders, Aminur and Salman. If so, we were running this method. I will show you in the main menu how I have done that. Okay, now to remove the account holders, you can see here that we are taking the account holder's name. If the account holder's name exists, it will delete. If the account holder's name does not exist, it will tell person not found. Okay, now the main thing comes, def main. Under the main account, what we are doing, in the line number 60, we can see we are creating an object. Okay, we are creating an object and we are running a loop for infinite number of times, until and unless the user press 6 to exit. Okay, so if the choice is 1, we have already seen this. If the choice is 1, it will create new account. If the choice is 2, it will add money to the existing account. If the choice is 3, it will withdraw money from the existing account. If the choice is 4, it will show all the account holders details. And if the choice is 5, user's choice is 5, it will remove the account holder. And if the choice is 6, it will break the loop and it will exit. Okay, and if the user press anything other than these choices, it will show invalid choice. Okay, so this was a mini project which I have created using core Python, the bank management system. So thank you for watching this video.